I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and opening app access. First, make sure your device has charge and the lens is unobstructed. This prevents delays. Next, go to Settings, then Apps, find Camera and tap Permissions. This is the first actionable step. Grant camera and microphone now so the app can run. Once done, make sure background permissions are allowed if you use video calls. This sequence avoids permission conflicts and gets you ready to test the camera immediately. You continue by confirming and testing permissions to ensure functionality. After enabling camera and microphone, open the camera app and test front and rear cameras. Note whether previews update. If the preview is blank, go to App Info and clear cache, then force stop and relaunch. This often resolves conflicts. If the system app remains blocked, set a different default camera app or install a trusted alternative from Play Store and repeat permission grants. Make sure to reboot if you finish by solidifying the setup and handling common failures. Reboot the device to apply permission changes, then verify the camera in several apps like Camera and a messaging app to confirm consistent behavior. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore defaults or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app interference. This isolates causes. As a final troubleshooting tip, if the camera still fails after these steps, assume a hardware issue and run a diagnostics app or contact support for repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.